Are you a trail rider that finds it uncomfortable or awkward to use the throttle while standing? Maybe it's comfortable to use it while sitting down, but once you start standing up, it's just feels awkward. You're more likely to have jerky throttle syndrome, where the bike wants to jump out from underneath you, or you feel like you're putting a lot of weight and pushing and pulling on the handlebars. Well, this is a sign that you haven't mastered the basics of riding in a standing position. But that's okay, because most new trail riders I see, they don't have it figured out right away. I didn't. I'm still trying to improve my technique when standing or sitting. So one big mistake that I see a lot of new trail riders do is they have their elbows too far down or in. So this looks like this. It's kind of like a chicken wing. So this forces your wrists to be too far down, so when you turn the throttle, you basically have to use like your whole shoulder to turn the throttle. Not only is this awkward, but this does not give you the best leverage, because when you have your elbows too far down, you don't have as much control over the bike when it's dancing around, so it's using more energy than you really need to. Think of it like you're doing a push-up. Are you going to have your elbows in like this when you're doing a push-up? No, probably not. You're not going to have the best leverage. You want to have them out like this. That's where you're going to have the most leverage and strength. And the same goes for riding a dirt bike. So instead of like this, you want to have them out like this. And this also puts your wrist in a more comfortable position so that you can use the throttle more easily. So in like this, or out like this, twist, twist. Nice and comfortable. You don't have to dip your whole shoulder to use the throttle. This is just one of the ways that you can troubleshoot problems while standing on the pegs while trail riding in my workbook, which is in the description below. And if you're having struggle with jerky throttle syndrome and you're afraid of having a whiskey throttle accident, you should check out this video right here. I'm Kelly Fager from MX Hideout. Ride safe, have fun.